Hi guys, welcome to Ceqell Rubik. So today we'll be reviewing the diansheng cube today. We'll be reviewing the diansheng cube. So let's turn it. The turning is very smooth. I love it. I love the turning. Turning is very good, so I'll give that about an 8 out of 10. I bought this at the dollar store. This is the diansheng cube. Colors are very beautiful. It's green. I especially like the blue. So generally, this cube, I think if you can find it, you should buy it. Now, moving on to the durability test. So right here I have a screwdriver. I'm going to poke it. So as you can see, guys, it is very durable. How about turning? Even in the roughest turning, it still works. So yeah, I think it's a very good cube, and I rate it 10 out of 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and rate 5 stars. Thank you.